Oh, there's no sin in love. Oh, there's no sin in love. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordination back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing No Ordinary by Labrinth. Very simple song. We're not even using the capo for this, and we're playing basic chords. So the chords are as follows. The first chord is a G, G major, no ordinary, and then you go to F major, love, and then C, and then you come back to G. Okay, so it's G, F major, C, back to G. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords, how to play them. Then you can come back to this video for the progressions. But yeah, let's go on with that. For the strums, I'm using down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, so it's ta, da, 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 right? You can change whichever you want to change to put an up instead of a down, depending on the flexibility of your joints and your wrist, right? So that's basically the idea, guys. If there's any other new songs that you need me to check out on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel and leave a like and share the video if it helped you.